welcome back to my channel. Today we have a bathroom makeover. So technically this is like the guest bathroom. I want to give this bathroom a makeover, and I'm going to start small, which that way we have something nice where people can, you know, if we have guests, they can walk into a nice bathroom. I am going to separate this into a few parts. I don't know how many exactly yet because I have to budget myself between these videos. I am going to do paint today, and as you can see by the title and also right here, this is a test swatch. I'm going to attempt to do a faux Limewash. I'm doing faux because it's more affordable. I've already painted the base, which is just flat white, and I used flat just because it can work as a primer, and I have a lot left over from the rest of our house. So that's why I wanted to kind of give it a first coat of that to start me off and have a good base. The faux Limewash effect is pretty simple in my opinion. All it consists of is watered paint and crisscrossed brush strokes. What I did notice is that sometimes my brush would pick up more paint than the watered paint that the Limewash gives you. So I would just go back and grab a little bit more water with the same brush and squeeze out as much water as I could. Not too much so that it could still give me like that washed effect, but also just enough so that it won't drip, because I did notice when I had too much water in my brush it would drip, and that is actually very hard to cover up. Also, I've seen people attempt the full lime effect with just one paint color and it looks good. It just depends on what you like and what color you're going for. I was actually going to try it with just one paint color, but it ended up looking too dark and kind of purple, honestly, especially with the lighting in this bathroom. It's not very much. So I ended up coming back with another lighter paint over it with the same method, watered paint, and just basically, you know, trying to brush it a crisscross motion throughout the entire bathroom again until I liked the way that it looked. For edges or corners, I suggest that you tap with the brush. That way it'll actually blend in with the rest of the wall and it's not just like a big stroke of the brush. All for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. I actually want to apologize because it took me a really long time to upload. It took me a really long time to upload because I wasn't happy with the footage. Something about the footage was not good enough for me. It's just the lighting in this bathroom that is very, very difficult to work with, and I wasn't liking the way that it was coming or showing up on camera. I honestly really do love the bathroom. The wash came out really nice. It actually ended up looking more cement-like, but I actually do love that. I love that color. I'm really, really happy with it. I of course have so much more work to do, which is why I said that we were gonna do this in like a few parts, just because I have to pace myself in the spending, also be sure of what I want to do. Obviously, we still have the shower to work on. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. As of right now, I have no clue. I don't know what I want to do with the vanity. I would love to tear it out, but that's also going to be very costly, which is why I'm still brainstorming, because we're on a budget here. I did replace the light just because we really needed a light. I took the old one out, and this is Noah's bathroom, and we needed the bathroom at night, so I had to add the light. I am going to change the bulbs. Do not freak out. There's still like tweaking here and there that I have to take care of. I also have to replace the curtain rod. I didn't like it. It looked better in my mind than when it did when I installed it or when we installed it. So I'm going to get rid of that and actually get a actual ceiling rod. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it inspiring. I hope that you maybe give this a try. I know that it looks harder or it's a little bit intimidating, but it's so doable. I think that this is a project that you cannot go wrong. But anyways, I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.